The Macon-Bibb Transit Authority is slowly beginning to open back up its transit station, but as 41 NBC's Tanya Motorzycki learns, there are still precautions riders need to take.
And also one of the first to take temperatures. Nobody was doing that when we were doing it. And we think that, that our numbers have been low, that we haven't had problems because of that abundance of cautions and looking at the science.
The Macon Transit Authority bus station is open again.
We relied on the science and we relied on the national experts. But then when the governor came in and changed the rules for Georgia, we felt it important that we align our policies and procedures with the governor's.
Along with wearing masks, giving temperature checks, and sanitizing everything, MTA blocked off seating inside the transit center to ensure people sit 6 feet apart. Jamie Goddard with MTA says fixed routes are also operating normally again.
We're trying to restore some sense of normalcy, and that begins with charging for service again.
Goddard says MTA is continuing to monitor riders and make sure employees enforce safety protocols.
We only allow 10 people on a bus, so we'll ask people to keep to that number, and if there are more people who need a ride, we will try to accommodate that service if they're going to work. We'll do our best to do that.
In Macon, Tanya Motorzycki, 41 NBC News.
And for questions on routes or to see the schedules, you can go to MTA's website at mta-mac.com.